This camera cage fits any of your cameras, and with the whole rig for just $80, it makes it the best value you can get. And you don't have to buy a new cage every single time you get a new camera. Cool, right? But it was such a burden to build that I had to make a separate video just for the assembly. The rig arrives in 3 smaller boxes, first containing the cage and the base, with steel rods. The cage is a little weird, but it fits any camera I have. And it's metal, and has an extra shoe mount. And cable holders. The handle is also metal and very solid. You have to screw it on the second hole from the left, if I remember correctly. Yes. It screws on nicely and easily. That's the base. The screw on this cage is always out, so you need to have this little base always attached if you want to use it on tripods and stuff. The cable holders are really easy to screw on, and they are pretty handy if you have HDMI cables, but for me, they just do not work on the Lumix camera. Here's a Canon 100D. You screw it on with this little knob, and it fits really easily with 3 holes for cables, and it holds nicely. You attach the steel rods, and now we can go to box number 2, the follow focus box. So in the second box is the follow focus. It is plastic, but it seems sturdy enough. And the base is also from metal. It doesn't feel cheap, and it's actually kinda smooth. You can also attach it to the zoom. This was supposed to be just one video, called "This $80 product will get you more clients", because yeah, people who don't understand how cameras work will look and say, "Oh wow, what a professional camera", without even knowing what's under the hood. So you should consider it if you are a video creator. And you should also consider subscribing. Let me show you how it works on a different lens. You can also mark your focus points on the white circle if you have any sharpie, and it comes right off. The last piece is the matte box, which is big enough for any lens size, but for my Lumix G80 it cannot go low enough. Canon DSLRs and Sony A7 should work fine though. It feels kinda cheap, but it does the job done, so like, I don't know if you need anything else. This was just the assembly. If you want to see the full review, check this video right here. Or if you want to see the best small RGB lights, check this video right here. Alright, well, bye.